Hi guys, welcome to our channel PCC Tech. We are back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can install Ubuntu on Windows PC without doing those creepy stuffs in BIOS. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. Go to Google and type Oracle Virtual Machine. Go to Oracle official website and download it from there. The link is given in the description. You can go and download from there too. Save your file wherever you want, and after you're done with downloading, install the VirtualBox. Simply click next and install. After you're done with installing, start the VirtualBox and go to new option. Name your OS whatever you want. I like to name it as Ubuntu. Then click on next. Allocate your memory size of your RAM by sliding the slider. Click on next. Create. Next. Here you can adjust your slider to allocate your hard disk space you want to use in Ubuntu. Go to settings, come to storage, click on empty and click on the optical disks icon over there. Choose virtual optical disk file. Browse wherever you downloaded the Ubuntu ISO file. Click on it and open the ISO file. Now click on OK. Your virtual PC is been set up and it's time to get started. Click on start. And here we are in Ubuntu setup. If you want to try Ubuntu and see how the stuffs are, you can just click on try Ubuntu, or if you want a clean install on your Windows, you can simply click on install Ubuntu. For the sake of moment, I am just clicking on try Ubuntu. Ignore the errors. And there you go. You are on desktop and the stuffs are exactly the same which we find in Ubuntu. You can open terminal and code whatever you want. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to share with your friends who want to learn how to code in Ubuntu. If you face any difficulty during the installation, drop a comment below mentioning your problem and I'll be glad to solve your problem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get the further notification.